Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Tivoli Royal, Quezon City to show you this modern contemporary home. First, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the frontage, it has 15 meters facing southeast. And before we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate, you have this garden box to add some welcoming vibe before we enter. Upon entering, you will be greeted by your huge main door and your covered porch. For the flooring, homogeneous tiles with rough texture. With, alam niyo na, parang elegant vibe. Ang ganda nung nilagay nila dito for the flooring. And of course for the functionality, hindi madulas kapag ka nababasa for your guests and for your family. On the left side, your 4-vehicle carport and the laundry area, and ganun din the staff room. Mamaya daanan natin yan. So for the 4-vehicle carports, we have your automated gate. Before we enter dito sa inyong main entrance, tignan natin yung right side ng property. Okay, some greeneries in this area. You also have this MTS or manual transfer switch. The function nung ganito is for your generator. So if in case brownout in this area or dito sa subdivision, at least you have this facility for your generator. So manual transfer switch yung tawag dyan. Your side garden, the area for the water pump, itong inyong plunge pool area. So itong plunge pool area niya hanggang doon sa back ng property. And ganda ng natural light dito sa area ng inyong dining because of your floor to ceiling fixed and sliding doors. Ganda rin ng accent wall nila dito. These are PVC or WPC wood plastic composite. It complements well dito sa inyong plants, no? Parang may natural texture kayo in this space. You have your huge solid na main door with your stainless pull handles. And ang ginamit nila dito is pivot hinge para mas magaang gamitin. You also have your side viewing panels to add some natural light dito sa inyong foyer. Papasok tayo and welcome to your home. So upon entering from your main door, you will be greeted by your built-in shelves. So in this area, pwede nyo ilagay yung inyong ornaments or mga family photos to greet dito, no? Parang upon entering, you have the positive vibe dito sa inyong shelves or whatever kung ano yung gusto nyo ilagay or paano nyo i-maximize itong space na ito. Okay, so we have your natural light coming from your side viewing panels from the main door. On the right side, ito yung inyong den or pwede nyo gamitin as the bedroom 1, especially for your elderlies or kids or even as an office. For the flooring, you can also notice yung ating solid Nara wood planks, 2 windows on either side, huge PVC frame, high-end yung kanilang ginamit na PVC frame with your mesh, tinatawag o hard mesh, or the built-in screen. So ito na yung mga alternatives na ginagamit. Instead of screen, napakatibay nito and add some security. So if ever makalimutan nyo bukas yung sliding windows nyo, as long as nakalaki itong security screen nyo, wala makapasok na any unwanted visitor. And speaking of the security, napaka high-end or napakahigpit ng security dito sa Tivoli Royal. You also have your AC. And balik tayo dito sa inyong foyer. And on the right side, adjacent dito sa inyong bedroom 1 or den is your common toilet and bath. Your lavatory, your water closet, automated yung inyong water closet, Toto brand. And the shower space with tempered glass enclosure. And few steps, ito yung inyong living area with your double height ceiling. Ang ganda ng view from your living area dito sa inyong plunge pool. Lots of natural light coming from the second level. You also have your split type AC. And for the flooring, granite finish, matte texture, and it complements well dito sa ating mga white painted wall. And the advantage nitong mga white painted wall, you can easily adjust to what kind or kung anong theme yung gusto nyo for your interior. So for our feature dito sa labas, so you can also open this sliding door to enjoy yung fresh air or pumasok no yung cross ventilation in this area, and enclosed by your screen or whatever kung ano man yung gusto nyo. So you have that, and your double height ceiling. Adjacent is your dining area. Dito sa dining area, easily up to 10-seater dining table kasha, no? And depende sa inyo kung how many family members do you have. Your split type AC, and mapapansin nyo malaki din yung ating AC. And ito yung back part ng property, no? So you have an access going to your lanai, and in this area, pwede nyo pang i-improve, lagyan ng enclosure or canopy para sa inyong alfresco dining or another outdoor feature to entertain your guests while preserving the privacy ng inyong property. So, lakad tayo dito. Ito naman yung room para sa inyong male staff or female staff. Well, depende sa inyo. They have their own toilet and bath at the back of this store. Okay, balik tayo dito. Ito naman yung area ninyo for the laundry. So hanggang dito yan. Covered ito by a canopy. And ang ganda ng flooring in this area. Again, these are rough textured flooring para kapag nababasa or nag-laundry yung inyong kasama sa bahay, so hindi madulas at madali magtrabaho, no? You also have this another room for your male staff. So kunyari man you have your drivers with you. Ayan, they have their own toilet and bath. Okay. So balik tayo dito sa loob ng property. And look at this area, no? Ang ganda nung space na ito. Very private, and you still have the view ng inyong plunge pool and some plants. And adjacent naman dito sa inyong dining area is your main kitchen. For our main kitchen, we have your U-shaped counter. Lots of preparation space or food preparation area. And maybe in this area, pwede nyo pang gamitin as the bar or breakfast nook. Or pwedeng quick work area. Well, depende sa inyo again. You have the location of your 2 or 4-door refrigerator. Integrated microwave and oven. Under-mounted sink. Your induction cook hob together with your range hood. So these are included to the selling price. And you have these built-in modular cabinets for your storage. Ganun din dito sa inyong hanging cabinets. So these are modular, and of course, ang ginamit nila dito is marine plywood para mas, alam nyo na, furniture grade. You also have soft close hinges for this storage dito sa buong cabinet. Alam niyo naman yung mga marine plywood, matibay yan. Hindi nasisira because of moisture. So, okay. Balik tayo dito sa inyong living area. For the lights or switch ng mga ilaw dito, these are automated. So, you can control itong mga switch na ito through your mobile phone app. So, kunyari man wala kayo or may naiwan kayong bukas, pwede nyo buksan or patay. For our stairs, solid narrowwood planks with your stainless handrails with your tempered glass. Ganda nung kanilang hagdan, ano? With step lights installed. Here's the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. And again, you can also notice na napaka-cozy in this space because of your narrow wood planks engineered to the whole second level. Okay, so unahin natin to. So this is your bedroom 2 if gagawin yung bedroom 1 yun nandun sa iba. For the bedroom 2, facing dito sa facade ng property, you have your huge PVC window with built-in screen. Meron din in this area, your split type AC. Maybe this is the location of your bed frame. Meron tayong convenient switch dito. Ayan. So, kasi yung inyong queen or king size bed. Hindi rin mawawala itong inyong ensuite toilet and bath. Your shower space. Again, yung bidet natin built-in dito sa inyong Toto brand ng water closet. Your lavatory and your cabinet for your storage. Very modern and sleek in design. Balik tayo dito sa inyong hallway. Lots of natural light coming from your huge window. And by the way, these are tinted na. So you have your privacy during the day. And of course, yung kanyang hindi mainit yung sinag ng araw because of the tint. So this is your bedroom 3. Ganda ng mga windows nila in each bedroom. Your king size bed, your split type, huge windows, and again, your ensuite toilet and bath. See-through cabinets for your storage. Same features. Lakad tayo dito sa dulo. If you remember, we have your double height ceiling dito sa living and dining area, or shall I say living, no? Again, natural light. So in every corner of this property, mapapansin nyo, we have huge windows. In every common or private area nitong property, napakahalaga niya kasi very energy efficient din, no, during the day. And dito sa dulo ng hallway, you have your master bedroom. So this is your bedroom 4. Location of your bed frame. Another cabinet for your storage. And nakatago din or concealed yung ating split type AC. Pero may mga butas naman yan. You have this bench or cushion bench. Perfect spot to read your books if you want to enjoy yung yung natural light coming from these windows. And hindi rin mawawala itong inyong walk-in closet. Siyempre, no? So, lots of storage space for the husband and wife. These are see-through cabinets and these are imported then. Tempered glass yung ginamit in each area ng cabinet ninyo. Hanggang dito. Your master toilet and bath. Your dual sink or lavatory, your bathtub, shower space with enclosure, again, Toto washlet or itong automated water closet ninyo, and wall hang male urinal. Meron din tayo ditong counter for your preparation area and vanity cabinets. Okay, and balik tayo dito sa inyong hallway. Your stairs going up, pero ito muna. So this is your bedroom 5. Dami din bedrooms in this property, no? Location of your bed frame. Again, huge window, split type AC, and your ensuite toilet and bath. Okay, so akyat tayo dun sa third level. Actually, hindi ko pa talaga na-akyat, so tira natin na sabay. Solid Nara for the riser and stairs, for the steps. Ganda rin nung stainless na handrails. So dito, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5. 5 bedrooms. Okay. 4 bedrooms. So, tinan natin yan. So, di muna ako magsasalita kung yung features nito. Subukan natin yung ganitong type of presentation. So, this is your bedroom 6. The bed frame. Look at the view nung inyong window. Sorry. Yan, ganda ng mountain view. Ano? Kita yung San Mateo and Antipolo area. Okay, ito yung shower with enclosure. Ganda ng mga water closet nila. Huge lavatory. And in this space, mapapansin nyo rin another door. So, link ito to another bedroom. Back to the hallway. You have itong inyong covered balcony. Ganda ng tema nito, no? So in this space, you can still enjoy the outdoor space without the harmless outside elements like itong ulan at araw, no? Or harmful, harmless. For our ceiling spandrel PVC with wood grain design. Ganda ng view in this area. So coming from that area, bedroom 6. Kasi ginagamit ko talagang bedroom yung nasa ibaba because minsan we have our elderlies with us or kunyari may visitors tayo or guests, yung mga parents natin, at least they have their own place sa ibaba. Di na nila kailangan ng stairs. So this area is your family room. Huge AC. So perfect spot ito for a movie room, no? Ganda. And of course, meron tayong access going to the balcony. Ganda rin yung ginamit nilang mga PVC frame. High-end talaga yung touch and very sturdy. So coming from that bedroom, bedroom 6, you have your family area. Your toilet and bath. Same features and layout. Okay, ito. We have your bedroom 7. So, well, minsan naman hindi talaga umaabot yung needs natin hanggang sa bedroom 7. Pero depende sa inyo. But you can still utilize this area to whatever you prefer, no? Ganda rin. At least you have your AC. So, kunyari man anong function itong room na ito or pwedeng gamitin as an office. Bedroom 8. Okay, dami, no? Ganda. Again, your AC and ito yung door na nakakonect dun sa bedroom 6 kanina. Ayan. Napakaganda rin ng kanilang flooring. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new 3-story modern contemporary home located here in Tivoli Royal, Quezon City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.